the flood control scandal, walang nangyayari. I mean, no big fish yet in jail. It seems stuck, despite what the president has said for 2 SONAs now.
Well,
Anong ginagawa ninyo?
well, put it this way, Ses, we are not, we are
Not
appreciative.
that you're to blame,
yeah.
but I mean, where is the rage?
We are appreciative that itong flood control ay inopen up ni Presidente, number one. We are appreciative that, let's say, a senator or some senators, some congressmen, contractors has already been in jail. And then,
Walang congressman, meron na ba?
meron nasa, well, nasa ombudsman, I think.
Ex-congressman.
Tapos meron nasa ombudsman. And then, di ba, I think Bonoan is still in jail, so that's a secretary and some other
Okay, but still, there are more.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. On the other side, we want something faster.
Okay.
Kumbaga, we look at it on both sides. We look at it and saying, meron na, pero hindi pa kami kontento kasi may inaantay pa kami at we are hoping that more people go to, face accountability. Not really.
Pero walang indignation tayong, before there were all these marches, wala na bang ganong plano?
Well, put it this way, we had a big march, yung 1 trillion peso march, and a
Kahit
lot of
pa paano
indignation.
kasi napepresyo ng gobyerno dyan.
Kasi nga, ang problema naman dyan, Ses, sa dami ng grupo natin, because we have groups from left, center, and right. Ang
Hindi kayo magkasundo.
Hindi naman sa magkasundo. Magkasundo kami sa accountability.
Okay.
Kaso, hindi kami pareho sa gustong maabot. For example, may ibang grupo na gusto patalsikin pati o pababain ang gobyernong ito. Pero, paano naman sino naman ang papalit? Hindi naman pwede si Vice President Sara dahil meron siyang impeachment, di ba? So we cannot, anong mangyayari? Kung papababain mo si Presidente, papabain mo si VP Sara, di magkakarevolusyon tayo. May iba naman tao gusto magkaroon na yung mga military naman ang pumasok. So that is another version naman.
Extra-constitutional.
Extra-constitutional. So ang akin lang, maganda na lahat tayo merong clamor, pero ano ba ang end natin? Kasi kung makikita na, even in our group chats and our let's say,
Kanya-kanyang
Facebook or Twitters and everything, makikita mo na, bakit naman ang gusto natin let's say, managot, lahat ng dapat managot.
Oo naman.
Oo, gusto natin yon. Agree tayo doon. Pero hindi naman natin gusto na pababain si Marcos, tapos pupunta si Sara. Di walang nangyari, pareho lang, no? You put a worse person there, no?
Well, but we're just talking about a march or an indignation rally or...
Yeah. But you have to, that's why I'm saying, we have to police
people
our
will
rank.
not get involved unless there's...
We have to...
Kakaiba-iba yung sinisigaw ninyo doon.
Kaya kung titignan mo, Ses, di ba, merong nasa EDSA, merong nasa Manila, merong nasa Menjola. Kasi iba-iba ang agenda, no? Sana ang agenda natin, accountability lang. Hindi yung agenda na, sabi ko nga, meron isang military takeover. Meron isa gusto pababain si Presidente, papasukin si VP. Meron isa, pareho silang bumaba, magkaroon ng snap election. Ano bang gusto natin? Di ba? Magulo na nga tayo, wag pa nating guluhin.
Okay.